This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. What's up, guys? In today's video we are going to know about steganography. Let's get started. Steganography is the practice of concealing a file, massage, image or video within another file, massage, image or video. Steganography is the technique of hiding secret data within an ordinary, non-secret, file or message in order to avoid detection. The word steganography comes from Greek stegonographia, which combines the words steganos, meaning covered or concealed, and graphia meaning writing. Now let's see some basic example of steganography using termux. Open File Manager and create a new folder. Here I give the folder name Steganography. Now take two files, a JPG file and an MP3 file. Now cut the files and paste in Steganography folder. Open termux. Now apply the following commands. I have already installed this package. Make sure you have give the storage permission. Now here you can see the steganography folder. Here you can see the files. Now apply this command to hide your text or message in an image. Type your text or message in the double quotes. Now open File Manager. Here you can see it looks like a simple image. To see the text, just open it in a text editor. Now change the image file extension with txt. Now open it in a text editor. Here you can see the text. Now let's hide an MP3 file in this image. Open termux. Here you can see two files, a JPG file and an MP3 file. Now type the following command. Here give your image file name and MP3 file name. Here type a name with your image file extension. For example, here I type my file name secret.jpg. Now open File Manager. Now here you can see a new image file. Now just change this image file extension with MP3. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then you can hit the like button and subscribe this channel. See you in next video. Goodbye.